Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best car GPS is probably one of the most essential gadgets for modern drivers, offering a seamless blend of convenience and safety. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or a casual commuter, a reliable GPS navigation system can transform your driving experience. In this video, we'll dive into the top GPS navigation systems for your car, helping you navigate through new cities, plan road trips, and conquer congested urban areas with ease. Number 5. Garmin DriveSmart 66 6-inch Car GPS Navigator. This 6-inch navigator comes with high-resolution maps of North America. It ensures you can see everything clearly while you are driving. The maps are easy to read. Pair it with your smartphone via Bluetooth for hands-free calling. The convenient Garmin Voice Assist lets you ask for directions to places you want to go. It makes everything easier. It includes the history database of notable sites, a U.S. National Parks directory, TripAdvisor traveler ratings and millions of Foursquare points. This device is ready for any road trip. Driver alerts for things such as school zones, sharp curves and speed changes help encourage safer driving. It increases your situational awareness. Access live traffic, fuel prices, parking, weather and smart notifications when you pair this navigator with your compatible smartphone. It keeps you informed on the go. With Alexa built in, you can ask to play music, listen to audiobooks, hear the news and more. Keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road while using it. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy map and software updates without a computer. It is very convenient. What we like. This navigator boasts a bright, high-resolution display for easy viewing. It also features voice assist and hands-free calling, keeping your focus on the road. With built-in Wi-Fi, updating maps is a breeze. If you are looking for a device that combines convenience with safety, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It merges the best aspects of smartphone navigation, traffic updates, points of interest, poise, with the excellent Garmin features. You don't need any cellular reception in order for the navigation to work. The Garmin is still the best for letting you know ahead of time what lane you should be in, which comes in handy when you need to switch multiple lanes multiple times in short succession. Number 4. Wireless CarPlay Android Auto Screen with Dash Cam. Tired of messy cables? This device connects your smartphone wirelessly. You can easily make calls, listen to music, and use GPS navigation with voice control. Enjoy wireless screen mirroring for both iOS and Android phones. Watch videos or let your kids enjoy cartoons on a high-definition touchscreen during your trip. Please note that Netflix is not supported. The bracket supports multi-angle adjustment for the perfect view. The suction cup is washable and resistant to both cold and heat. It's designed to stay stable in any environment. Connect your phone and use voice assistance for navigation. You can effortlessly search for destinations and get real-time map updates. It also allows for hands-free calling, ensuring safer driving. Installation is simple, with no need to disassemble anything. It's powered by a cigarette lighter and works with most cars. Just make sure your car's voltage is above 7V. What we like. This device offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for a cable-free experience. It also features wireless screen mirroring for both iOS and Android phones. The easy installation makes it a breeze to set up. If you are looking for a modern, user-friendly navigation system with seamless smartphone integration, this is the one for you. What people say. The touchscreen is very nice and responsive, and the dash cam and rear view camera are great as well. Both camera works nicely. The picture on both camera is very vivid and clear in the day and nighttime view. I tested this for our long trip to Nigeria some weeks back. Having Google Maps as compared to normal navigation GPS is completely different experience and gets you more information on the traffic and also a bird's eye view of the road ahead. The supplied mounts are nice, and I opted to use the sticky pad mount and was quite sturdy and don't think it would come off without excessive force applied. It has a front and back camera included, although I did not mount the back camera yet as would have to route the wires around and did not have much time. However, the unit has everything else, include different connections including a default speaker if Bluetooth is not required, and works with different apps as well. I am not sure how this compares to other units in the market, but this works well and looks good, and would recommend this to anyone wanting to have Android Auto in the car without any fuss. Number 3. Garmin Drive 52, 5 GPS Navigator with driver alerts. Introducing the Garmin Drive 52, your easy-to-use GPS navigator. It features simple on-screen menus and bright, easy-to-see maps, making navigation a breeze. This device comes with detailed map updates for the US and Canada. You'll always have the most up-to-date information for your journeys. Garmin Traffic is ready to use right out of the box, no smartphone needed. It provides real-time traffic updates to help you avoid delays. Road Trip Ready with the History Channel database and US National Parks directory. It also includes TripAdvisor traveler ratings and millions of Foursquare points of interest. The package includes the Garmin Drive 52, vehicle suction cup mount, vehicle power cable, USB cable, and a quick start manual. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. This GPS navigator features simple on-screen menus and easy-to-see maps. It also comes with Garmin Traffic ready to use right out of the box. If you are looking for a straightforward and reliable navigation experience, this device will meet your needs. What people say. The GPS navigation system provides real-time traffic updates. It has a large, easy-to-read touchscreen display. The device offers clear voice guidance and accurate directions. Number 2. TomTom Go Comfort 6 GPS Navigation. This TomTom device updates easily over built-in Wi-Fi. It seamlessly integrates with your phone, ensuring you always have the latest features and maps. It's simple and convenient. Discover amazing driving routes with this device. You can personalize your journey and share it with friends. Then, start your adventure. Hear text messages safely with your hands on the wheel. The TomTom Go Comfort will read them aloud for you, keeping your phone in your pocket. The TomTom Go Comfort learns your habits. It predicts destinations, making your journeys even easier. It anticipates where you want to go. Plan routes, check live traffic, and save favorites. You can do this from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. It offers seamless integration across your devices. What we like. This device updates via Wi-Fi and provides real-time traffic updates. It also learns your habits with destination prediction. If you like a device that anticipates your needs and keeps you connected, this is the perfect companion for your journeys. What people say. TomTom has much better, more detailed maps. With TomTom, itinerary trip planning is much easier, especially if you want to choose an exact route to follow, such as Route 66 or the Lincoln Highway. The TomTom Go Comfort 6 has a smooth and predictable touchscreen, a seamless interface with web-based MyDrive, and an impressively durable feel to the screen and housing. Number 1. 9-inch Truck GPS Navigator for Commercial Drivers 2025. This 9-inch touchscreen keeps all the important information in your view. Touch operation makes it easy to use, even for the elderly. It can be fixed to the dashboard and windshield. The device comes preloaded with 2025 North American maps. You'll also receive free lifetime map updates. Updates are easily made by connecting it to your computer. Easily find destinations by address, POI, or coordinate. It offers intelligent route planning and provides alternative routes. The map displays remaining distance, arrival time, and current speed. The GPS provides alerts for curves, intersections, and speed limits. It gives automatic announcements in over 40 languages. You can transmit voice commands through the FM function. It is suitable for various vehicles, including trucks and RVs. You'll benefit from information about length, width, height, and weight. It also includes multimedia features for more driving fun. What we like. This GPS navigator features a large 9-inch touchscreen display. It comes with offline maps and lifetime updates. It is also suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including trucks. If you are a commercial driver or someone who needs a versatile and reliable navigation system, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Very easy to use, great for truck drivers, has the most updated maps with the newest roads, etc. The visuals are very clear and the default voice is easy to understand. Easy to set up, and easy to use. It have all the features that makes it a great GPS to use. Its graphics and GPS system are really accurate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.